corneum is the outermost layer of the epidermis, consisting of dead cells corneocytes. The stratum spinosum is a layer of the epidermis found between the stratum granulosum and stratum basale. The dermis or corium is a layer of skin between the epidermis with which it makes up the cutis and subcutaneous tissues that primarily consists of dense irregular connective tissue and cushions the body from stress and strain. The subcutaneous tissue, also called the hypodermis, hypoderm from Greek, meaning beneath the skin, subcutis, or superficial fossa, is the lowermost layer of the integumentary system in vertebrates. The types of cells found in the hypodermis are fibroblasts, adipose cells, and macrophages. Muscle is a soft tissue found in most animals. Muscle cells contain protein filaments of actin and myosin that slide past one another, producing a contraction that changes both the length and the shape of the cell. Muscles function to produce force and motion. They are primarily responsible for maintaining and changing posture, locomotion, as well as movement of internal organs, such as the contraction of the heart and the movement of food through the digestive system via peristalsis. Muscle tissues are derived from the mesodermal layer of embryonic germ cells in a process known as myogenesis. Veins are blood vessels that carry blood toward the heart. Most veins carry deoxygenated blood from the tissues back to the heart. Exceptions are the pulmonary and umbilical veins, both of which carry oxygenated blood to the heart. Sweat glands, also known as sudoriferous or sudoriparous glands, from Latin sudor, meaning sweat, are small tubular structures of the skin that produce sweat. The root of the hair ends in an enlargement, the hair bulb, which is whiter in color and softer in texture than the shaft, and is lodged in a follicular involution of the epidermis called the hair follicle. The stratum corneum is the outermost layer of the epidermis, consisting of dead cells corneocytes. Muscle is a soft tissue found in most animals. Muscle cells contain protein filaments of actin and myosin that slide past one another, producing a contraction that changes both the length and the shape of the cell. Hair is a protein filament that grows from follicles found in the dermis, the innermost layer of the skin. Hair is one of the defining characteristics of mammals. The human body, apart from areas of glabrous skin, is covered in follicles which produce thick terminal and fine vellus hair. The erector pili muscles are small muscles attached to hair follicles in mammals. Contraction of these muscles causes the hairs to stand on end, known colloquially as goosebumps. Each erector pili is composed of a bundle of smooth muscle fibers which